Welcome back to News Now. We said we were going to listen to the attorneys on both sides of the Weinstein case. Let's listen in to Benjamin Brafman, representing Weinstein.
So we are obviously disappointed that the court did not dismiss the indictment, but Judge Burke has ruled, and we intend to continue to vigorously defend this case to the best of our ability, and we remain confident, despite the court's ruling today, that ultimately at a trial of this case, Mr. Weinstein will be completely exonerated. Today's ruling was a technical ruling on the law, and although disappointed, it does not in any way suggest that the case against Mr. Weinstein is going to end badly. To the contrary, based on the evidence that I am aware of, I believe that if we proceed to trial, and I think we will fairly soon, I think Mr. Weinstein will be exonerated. I also want to mention one other thing, because we have been bombarded by these inquiries. This is not about the Me Too movement. This is defending a specific criminal case. If the Me Too movement helps level the playing field for women throughout the world, then we are strongly supporting that movement. A movement should not, however, be permitted to push an indictment that is deeply flawed, as we believe this movement has done in this case.
All right, everybody.
Charges. We are not defending behavior. We are defending allegations of specific criminal conduct, and we believe he will ultimately be exonerated. Thank you.
All right, and we also heard from Gloria Allred, who is representing the accuser.
Last point I want to make is the attacks on my client in reference to any communication she may have had with Mr. Weinstein after the alleged assault on her. That in the motion that Mr. Brafman filed, he appears to suggest that somehow, if there are any communications by any alleged victim after any alleged crime was committed, that undermines their testimony that an assault somehow couldn't have taken place. I totally disagree with that. As a matter of fact, my best evidence for that statement that I just made is, again, in the Bill Cosby case, where there were numerous calls and communications by Andrea Constant, the named victim in that criminal case, with Mr. Cosby after the drugging and sexually assaulting of Ms. Constant. That came into evidence, numerous cell phone calls, and nevertheless, the jury convicted. So the theory of the defense that somehow there could not have been any kind of sexual assault, non-consensual sexual activity, if there were communications with any victim after the assault, is belied and completely contradicted by the evidence. And I think once you understand the context of the communications, which I think even if you read them are completely harmless, you will understand why it does not mean that there could not have been any criminal activity. Any other questions? I'll see you on March 7th. Thank you.
And another speaker does come up to the podium here just moments after Gloria Allred. I believe as soon as she left, she decided to come up and make a statement as well about the developments today in the New York courtroom, Harvey Weinstein. March 7th is when the next court date is set, and here she comes right here. We'll be able to listen in at the podium in just a moment. Let's listen in.
morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lisa Borders, and I have the privilege of serving as the president and CEO of Time's Up. I am here this morning with my sisters from the organization where we insist of a world that has a safe, fair, and dignified workplaces for all women. Today, here in New York, we saw the first steps toward justice. Together, we stand in solidarity with all survivors everywhere. Frankly, we are relieved that Harvey Weinstein failed in his efforts to avoid accountability for his actions, and we are very happy that none of the charges were dismissed. Please know that we are very interested in ensuring that he is prosecuted to the full extent of the law, and we look forward to seeing you again on March 7th. Thank you for your continued diligence in covering this case. It is important not only to women, but to men, women, children, communities, countries, and continents. We appreciate the coverage. Thank you, and have a pleasant day.